Hello guys, in this video we will see how do you make a game on Roblox. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Roblox Studio. Content. This is the essential first step to creating any game on the Roblox platform. Roblox Studio is a free integrated development environment that provides all the tools necessary for building, scripting, and testing your game. To acquire it, navigate to the Roblox website, log into your account, and click on the Create button, which will prompt you to download and install Roblox Studio. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process, ensuring you have a stable internet connection for the download. Once installed, launch the application and log in with your Roblox credentials to access the Studio interface.
Step 2. Explore the Studio interface and basic tools. Content. Familiarize yourself with the Roblox Studio workspace. Upon opening, you'll see a template selection. Choose a base plate or a similar starter template to begin. The interface typically includes the Explorer window listing all objects in your game, the Properties window showing attributes of selected objects, the toolbox for permitted sets, and the main viewport. Learn how to navigate the dead space using your mouse. Right-click to look around, scroll wheel to zoom, west for movement. Practice using the fundamental tools. Select to pick objects, move to translate them, scale to resize, and rotate to orient. Understanding these basic manipulation tools is crucial for building your game's environment.
Step 3. Construct your game environment and objects. Content. Begin building the physical elements of your game world using Parts. In the Home tab, click Part to insert a basic block. Use the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools learned in the previous step to shape these parts into structures like walls, floors, and props. Experiment with different part shapes, blocks, wedge, cylinder, and materials, brick, wood, plastic. From the Properties window, organize your objects effectively in the Explorer by grouping related parts. Hit models, right-click, group as model, and renaming them descriptively. This step focuses on the visual and structural design of your game.
Step 4. Implement game logic with scripting. Lua. Content. To make your game interactive and dynamic, you'll need to use scripting. Roblox uses the Lua programming language. For this purpose, insert a script into a part or into the server script service. Right-click, insert object. Script. Learn fundamental Lua concepts such as variables, functions, conditional statements, if-else loops, and events. Common scripting tasks include making objects move, detecting player interaction, managing game states, and creating custom game mechanics. Utilize the Roblox API documentation to understand available functions and properties for objects and services within your game. This step transforms static environments into functional gameplay experiences.
Steps: test, publish, and iterate your game content regularly. Test your game within Roblox Studio using the Play button in the Home tab. This allows you to experience the game as a player and identify bugs or design flaws. Once you are satisfied with a foundational version of your game, publish it to Roblox. Go to File, Publish to Roblox, or Publish to Roblox. As if it's your first time, provide a name, description, and configure game settings. After publishing, continue to gather feedback from players, identify errors for improvement, and make updates. This iterative process of testing, collecting feedback, modifying, and republishing is key to refining your game and ensuring its long-term success and engagement.